Alright, in this video, I've had someone reach out to me and ask about reverse engineering a specific guitar, and I realize I probably don't have the rights to use the image of that guitar in my video, so I made my own image, and that's what I'll use for this video. And as I thought about reverse engineering this guitar, I realized there's probably a little bit of a gap in something that I haven't covered on the channel thus far. So let's talk about how to deal with specific situations regarding images. Here we have create a planar image in 3D space. I'm going to select a PNG file, and I'll put that on the front XZ plane. Now, if we need to orient this, honestly, I've always found it the easiest to just go into a photo editor, rotate it 90 degrees, and save. But you also do have the option to go with placement, right? And under axis, you can specify your axis and even your position if you want to do some kind of offset, and an angle of rotation about that axis. So you can change these numbers to reorient this image if you'd like. Notice my image is good on both sides. You can see it on both sides. Edit, preferences. If you have a problem, then you can say display, right? And usually the problem is the backlight color is off, and that's why you have trouble seeing an image from the back. So if you're having that problem, that's how you fix it. We can say edit, preferences, display, and we'll say backlight color. Alright, so now that we have an image oriented correctly, how do I scale this to be the size that I want? And you need some kind of reference dimension, right? Maybe the tip of the head here to the very base is a certain known dimension, or maybe the tip of this point to the very bottom of the guitar will be a certain known dimension. So whatever it is, have a known dimension so you know how you want to scale it. I'll adjust my view to view straight from the front on, and now we can choose this scales an image, and this little box comes up. Notice I've got my wobbly windows back because I changed my version of Ubuntu to 2004, and I'm still pretty happy about it. So let's say that we have a known dimension, and I'm just going to make one up for the purpose of this video. Let's say 350 millimeters from this point to this point. And I say OK. And of course I have to select my image plane, and then I say OK. And notice that we just resized our image to be the scale that we wanted, right? So that's how you scale stuff. So I hope that that was helpful. In the next video, let's start getting into making a guitar body in FreeCAD. I was going to do it in LibreCAD, but I've had actually a few requests, so I'll go ahead and make a guitar body. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.